should really buy one of these Sharp GX M10. Fucking savage. Okay, so what we have here is Toshiba satellite A300 1RY, and I'm changing thermal paste, cleaning out the fan, because we were having some trouble with it. Fucking bastard. Originally, the reason I opened this was because the hinge here is snapped. I took the hinge out actually. I don't know where the fuck it is. Somewhere anyways. So when you're taking apart a laptop, be careful. Organize your stuff well, know which screws are for what. Don't be afraid to take apart a laptop. It's good for you. This is thermal paste. I don't know what the fuck that is, man. Pretty sure it is. So the problem with this laptop is it was just shut down. Bang, gone. Now there's many reasons that could be. One could be because of this fan. It's all getting congested, and the other section of it is all congested up with dust and stuff. So what I want to do is clean it out. Clean out this, change the thermal paste. This is broken. This is the part for your earphones. So to change this, you need to have you need to have you need to heat up these points with a solder. Make sure it's the right one, then it'll just pop out and then you can change it. But we're not going to do that today. We'll do that another day. If this doesn't work, I'm going to buy a new motherboard. That might be the only option to fix it. Also, another problem I was having with was the NIC is broken. You can make it work, but you have to wedge something in there. But you can change this to the same process. We're going to do that a different day. Alright. So we're done here. So let's just clean this up. Dusty shit, man. Oh, it's fucking moving. It's alive. There you go. The only way to clean this maybe is a toothbrush. Some kind of brush. That fucking man, I'll use my toothbrush. I can always clean it after. Get rid of all that dust. 7 minutes. All done. Okay. Brush your teeth later. Okay, the first thing we need to do is this needs to be held down. This pushes down. Now I know I'm reverse engineering this shit, but starting from the outside, working our way in. But maybe one day you'll find an alien piece of technology, and you might need to reverse engine that shit. Could be useful. So this part here, over here. I actually have no idea how this goes back together. Probably want to clean this shit off. I think the quality of this is a lot better than the quality of that, but don't really matter for now. Don't buy the cheapest thermal paste. Buy a middle one. Or if you want, buy a more expensive one, depending on how much value you have for your machine. This stuff burns out after a while, as far as I know. Meaning, once it's been used for a long time, it's not really effective anymore. You need to change it. Stuff's been cooked non-stop. That's okay. Okay, so as far as I know, this goes in here. Or maybe like this, I don't know. A clue to it would be probably this one. Okay. House music. Let's guess with the house music. Okay, let's get this down right and not make a fucking mess. Das ist gut. Das is really good, yeah. Okay, push it down here. Don't want to be doing this. Okay, we're good. Now I have no idea which screws were for this. Not a fucking clue. Okay. One more thing I nearly forgot. Wedging that fucking thing. Okay, so next thing we need to do is put this bastard in. I also have no idea which ones are these. I'll try these ones. be honest with you, I don't have a fucking clue what I'm doing. But you never learn if you don't try. Will be this is your wireless card. That's how you get wireless internet. Your wireless stopped working, this is what you need to change. That's your wireless NCI. Next piece is this thing. I actually don't have a fucking clue what this is. Pops in. Pops in. Okay, we're good. We'll bring over this part now. Oh no, we're gonna start here now. Now, as I said earlier, if you want to change the speakers, if your speakers are blown, this is your speakers. My hinge is gone. This is the hinge. I have some on the way. If you need to try and find out what exact match or part you're trying to find, the best way to usually do this is to take apart the part and find the serial number on the part itself and Google that serial part. With that tactic, you'll generally find what you're looking for. Okay, we need to realign this fucking thing. There we go. Should do it. Give it a little bit of strength while we're waiting for my new hinge to come in. Gives it a bit of strength. See, it holds up now. Okay. Once again, I have no idea what screw that is. Try this one. Most of the screws are the same size, roughly, give or take. You should really map out what you're doing. But I'm a fucking idiot and never usually need to. Okay, so everything is in place. Get this back in place. Actually, if I remember right, this is not how it fucking goes. It goes the other fucking way. cables we have to watch before we put the back in. It's this one here. It's your power cable. Power of the motherboard. That's the only cable underneath that needs to go in, as far as I remember. So make sure there's no cables. Just needs to fit in there. There you go. Slots. Never push anything in too hard, just nice and handy. Reasonable pressure.